Good afternoon. It is almost 4 on a, what's today? Wednesday afternoon, and it is time to clean my closet. Like, I have too much stuff, y'all. So it's time to give away some stuff. Plus I got some stuff coming tomorrow, so I need to make room. It's not a big package though. It's just like 6 or 7 emergency items that I needed. Y'all will see that video soon, but time for another closet clean out. I think this is my 3rd one this year. It'll definitely be my last one. So hopefully I can get rid of some stuff. I need to attack this pile first. The way my mind operates, like, I just can't get rid of stuff with a whole bunch of stuff sitting right here. I'm also washing, but I don't think I'm getting rid of nothing I'm washing. I don't know why, but I feel like I need to put everything back in the closet and then take out everything I'm giving away. That may sound stupid, but that's just how I have to do it.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone.
So I already have a little idea of what I want to get rid of. Some black jeans here, gotta go. Those are ruined. Got another pair coming tomorrow. I have a lot of gray graphic tees back here. I think I'm gonna keep all of them. Yeah. I think I'm gonna convert this to a sleep around shirt, but I'm not gonna get rid of it. This probably the same. I might get rid of this. Yeah, I am. Aaliyah don't really look like Aaliyah on that shirt. I think I'm gonna get rid of this too, because by the time summer rolls around, this will be old news. That is going. The black leather pants are going. I'm gonna eventually buy another pair. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't wear it. I don't have anything to match this bright color. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it.
Let your edge out to some iceberg. You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my empty mind. Shit, I should've get from you.
Like this shirt, but I'm gonna get rid of it. It's old news now. Y'all, I like this shirt. I'm not gonna lie though, I do not wear this. Yeah, it's gotta go. Just a pair of black wide leg pants. I hate how they fit. They are leaving. A pair of brown cargos. I really like these, but there's a defect in the pocket that I've always hated. And then I wash and dry these and they get smaller, and the circulation of my leg be getting cut off. So they gotta go. Hate this top. It's from Temu. I have absolutely no purpose for it. That's leaving. This 2-piece outfit is cute, but I don't wear it. It's gotta go. I'm gonna keep this. I was thinking about letting it go because nowadays wearing a Kanye West t-shirt is so controversial, especially working in a school, but I like it, so I'm gonna keep it. This pair of jeans is really cute, really different, but I don't have nothing to wear with these. I have not worn them since I bought them, so these got to go. I think I'm gonna let go of this too. I really like it, but I don't wear it. I don't like the wool part, like the leather sleeves. If this was an all leather Letterman, or at least the wool didn't look so dingy, I would keep it, but yeah, gotta go.
Best of me, I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care. Trying to read the new sense, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Let it go away.